With those crimes at near record levels, the mayor spent more than an hour in a rare Metro Council appearance this afternoon, getting peppered with questions about the programs that are in place. Is anything working? WHS 1119's Elle Smith covered the hearing and is live with some of the heated exchanges. Elle?
Yes, Doug, the meeting ended up just being council members grilling Fischer on what he believes needs to be done in Louisville and Metro government and more. And at times it did get heated, but the key focus was on what Mayor Fischer is doing to address public safety in Louisville.
It was a meeting dedicated to the topic of public safety, and immediately Mayor Greg Fischer was in the hot seat. From the FOP contract,
do you agree to immediately get back to the negotiating table,
to the lack of a juvenile detention center?
What do you see as being the specific impact on the closure as it relates to the rates of crime?
Fischer was asked question after question, and each time he answered.
So when I said I'm in no rush to go back, that doesn't mean I'm going back the next day. But that contract needs to pass.
Metro Council members deemed it necessary for the meeting to be public so the community could listen in.
But you will not interrupt this meeting.
And the focus? What is Mayor Fischer doing to prevent gun violence in the city?
Most crime is committed because people are desperate because they don't have the means to get something.
Fischer said the lack of social programs, poverty, COVID-19, lack of trust between police and community, and the proliferation of weapons and gang activity are what is spiking the violence in the city, saying cities around the country are seeing the same trends.
Nobody wakes up and just says, oh, I want to be a killer, I want to be a drug dealer, but you want to survive.
Fischer said in an attempt to plug people into trades, American Rescue Plan funds will be focused on workforce development.
So they're ready for the $20 an hour jobs and have employers also come to the table to say we will hire these people as well.
The conversation around the rise in gun violence among youth in Louisville came up as well.
Are we focusing on intel sharing to reduce gang activity and connecting our anti-violence programs to the kids that most need them?
Fischer said he speaks to Dr. Polio, JCPS superintendent, but in his eyes, the best way to address gun violence within youth is through the Office of Safe and Healthy Neighborhoods. After the meeting, we asked Fischer how much of the gun violence issue in Louisville was his fault. Here's his response.
Oh, I wish it was that simple, right? Because then we could just get a new mayor. Okay, so our responsibility right now is to make sure we got a plan, that it's funded, which the council has done, and that we're all working together to make it better, and that the community's involved also.
One thing to note is just how rare this appearance was, and that's something that Metro Council members acknowledged, saying that it's been over 10 years since Mayor Fischer appeared before the council.
Well, Elle, many of these council members have heard the mayor say the very same things, just in different settings, not in front of them like tonight. What did they hope to accomplish by having him there in person tonight?
Doug, it was that collaboration effort. Everyone has been saying it's a community effort, but tonight they said it was going to be a collaborative effort between the mayor's office and Metro Council to address public safety. In downtown Louisville, I'm Elle Smith for WHS 11 on your side.
Elle, thank you very much.